How to hide blue ticks on WhatsApp. So sometimes when you are in WhatsApp, you do not want people to know whether you have seen their messages or not, and this is the famous blue ticks. So if you have it on, then when you see the messages, you have blue ticks, right? If you don't want people to know that, then this is how you can do it. Alright, first of all, you go to the top icon, the three dots, then you go to settings, then you go to accounts, then you go to privacy, and you scroll the way down, you can see read receipts. If turned on, you won't send or receive read receipts. Read receipts are always sent for group chats, so this is usually for the blue ticks. So once you turn it off, you're not able to see blue ticks, and no one can see you blue ticking the other people as well. Blue tick. Alright, so that's how easily you can hide blue ticks on WhatsApp. If you like what I share, give me a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.